Hey guys, for today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make Windows 11 taskbar completely transparent. So as you can see here, my taskbar is very clear, everyone can see it. Now I'm going to make this one transparent. Now all I have to do is go to Microsoft Store. Now once I'm here, I'm just going to type translucent TV. So I'm going to click this one here, and then I'm going to try downloading it once again. Alright, there you go. So download is done. We're going to open this one. Okay, we're going to click continue. Okay, once downloaded, you can see that it's actually transparent now. You can see the background picture. So let's just close this one. Okay, there you go. So you can see that it's completely transparent, and that's how you're going to do it basically. Now say for example, you can do some tweaks also. You can click this one and then you're going to right click. Here in the desktop section, you can actually have normal. There you go. That's how it normally looks. Let's open it once again, and then we're going to click opaque. So here in opaque, you can see that it's very visible. This is black. Let's try the other settings. So we have the clear, that was clear earlier. If we're going to click acrylic, you can see that it's still visible, but it's not that much. Basically, you can see a little bit of the background. So let's try to do something. We're going to try and clicking desktop once again, and then we're going to click this one, accent color. From here, this is where you can experiment on something. Say for example, I'm going to choose red. There you go. So I've chosen red, and then I'm going to change the opacity. So I'm going to increase this one. Okay, there you go. So we have clicked red, and then we're going to scroll this one until it becomes this one opaque. Alright, so let's try to increase it, and there you can see that it's red. Again, what we want to do here is basically make this transparent, but yeah, I'm just showing you other options that you can do. Now I'm going to show you other thing also. We're going to right click this one, and then you have to make sure that open at boot is checked. This means that when you open your computer, it will automatically be open. So again, let's do that, and then let's make it clear. Congratulations everyone, that's how you're going to make Windows 11 taskbar completely transparent.